In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract in Google Sheets using a formula. If you're looking to perform simple subtraction tasks within your Google Sheets, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a good grasp of how to execute this task efficiently. So, let's get started. Firstly, you want to begin by opening a Google Sheet. You can do this by logging into your Google account and navigating to Google Sheets. Once you are there, either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you wish to perform your calculations. Now direct your attention to cell D2. Click on it to make it active, and this is where you will input your subtraction formula. Placing the formula here is crucial as it will help us structure our data in a clear and logical manner, and it will become the cell where our subtraction result is displayed. Next, we'll enter the formula. Type in equals sign followed by the word minus into cell D2. Your formula should look like this, equals minus B2 C2. What this formula does is subtract the value in cell C2 from the value in cell B2. The equals sign signifies that it's a formula, and minus is the function used for subtraction in Google Sheets. Here, B2 and C2 are the cells you are subtracting, but feel free to adjust cell references according to your data. Once your formula is in place, press the Enter key to execute it. This action completes the formula input and immediately calculates the subtraction, displaying the result in cell D2. It's always satisfying to see Google Sheets perform these calculations instantly and provide you with the result you need. Lastly, let's make use of the autofill feature. Autofill is a powerful tool in Google Sheets that lets you quickly apply a formula to multiple cells. By clicking and dragging the small blue square at the bottom right corner of cell D2 downwards, you can extend the formula to other cells in column D. This action copies the subtraction formula to adjacent cells, adjusting the cell references accordingly, saving you time and effort, especially when working with large datasets. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently perform subtraction in Google Sheets using a formula. Remember, Google Sheets is a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of calculations, so don't hesitate to explore further beyond this to enhance your spreadsheet skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on using Google Sheets effectively.